Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a workaround if your volume buttons are not working on your Android phone. So these might be stuck in. So you can just go back and forth like this really quick and just see if you can dislodge them. But if you can't, for whatever reason, you can go over to the Google Play Store and you can get this application called Button Mapper. And just install this, search for it, and open this up. Now you're going to have to accept some permissions. So just go to the installed apps. There should be a little bar right here on the bottom. Just go to install apps and allow Button Mapper. But when we do that, we can go to volume up. We can go to custom. And then we can go to single tap. We can set this no action, double tap no action, long press no action. And then we can do the same thing for volume down. So when those buttons are pressed in, it's not going to do anything. So we can swipe down from the top right, and we can just adjust it manually with our finger right here. And this is going to run in the background, so I don't know if you accidentally close it or something like that. You can probably still close it right there. That'd be fine. But your volume keys won't do anything now. So if you find a way to fix them, you can delete the application in the future. But right now, you can just use it, and then you can just do that right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.